Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video we are going to do daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. I'll be doing the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame and will be sharing you the direction of the market and present support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. Please use these levels as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exits. I would recommend you to do your own analysis before taking your entry because trends will be changing all the time. Let us look at today's economic calendar. When we look at the economic calendar for today is Tuesday, April 12th. So we have lots of low impacting news. Again at 2:30 p.m. we have Euro currency pair related news coming up which has a medium impact. At 3:30 p.m. we have low impacting news for US dollar, British pound currency pairs. At 6 p.m. we have high impacting news for US dollar currency pairs. Then we have tentative US dollar news, low impacting. At 9:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar currency pairs. At 11:30 p.m. we have low impacting news for US dollar currency pairs. So plan your trade entry and exit based on this calendar schedule. Let us start with our analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold, US dollar currency pairs. When we look at the price action yesterday, we had seen little bit of bullish momentum in gold. And when we look at the past price action and analyze whether the bullish trend has started or not, this was the highest level it has gone previously. When we look at the lowest level, there was a little bit of consolidation over here, and from here it started its bullish trend. So when we look at this range where the previous spike had gone and then came down and again went on a bullish trend, again fell on the bearish trend, and we can notice a consolidation or a sideways market this area. So when we look at this lower levels and the higher level which was around 1976 and the lower level was around 1908, the current price action is still trading within this resistance and support level, and still I can see the current price action moving on a sideways. Within this sideways we have noticed a bullish trend yesterday, and yesterday it went near to the resistance level of 1976 and then trend reversal has happened. So overall when we look at the price action within this resistance and support level, it is still in a range bound market and it didn't break this resistance level, and we are already noticing a trend reversal or red candle being formed over here. So if this red candle closes in red color, we can expect a bearish trend reversal and to retrace to the previous low. So when we mark the lower level of support also, this is going to be the area of support, and when we mark the resistance level also, this is where the price action was consolidating. So this is going to be the resistance level. So this is going to be the resistance zone over here, and we have the support zone over here. When we move on the left side also, we know the reason why it is acting as a very strong support zone, because previously this area had acted as a very strong resistance zone. So price couldn't break this support zone. Now it is on a bullish trend to gather enough momentum to come back and break this support zone, because when we look at the price action, we already know that current price action is trying to form a head and shoulder pattern. So it has already completed the formation of left hand shoulder and it is in the process of forming the right hand shoulder. So this whole zone is acting as a very strong support zone. If the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect a further fall or a bearish trend reversal in daily time frame. Currently the price action is under consolidation and trading within this resistance and support zone. It is not a bullish trend or it is not in a bearish trend. It is a range bound market for now. When we draw the trend line and check the current trend of the market, so from here the bullish trend started. I am drawing a resistance line or the support line. You can notice that it took support on this trend line. Again, when it bounced back from the bearish trend on the bullish side, you can see that it has taken resistance on this trend line. Again, I am drawing one more trend line over here. We can clearly notice that again this trend line has acted as a support line, and currently the price action has taken resistance on this resistance line over here, and it is on a bearish trend reversal. So how low it can trend down? I am drawing one more trend line over here, which is going to be acting as a support line for the current price action. Now we know that if the price action comes on a bearish side trend, we can expect it to take support on this trend line or on this support zone over here, or on this support line over here, which is going to be around 1907, then to bounce back on the bullish side. Only when the price action breaks this support zone between 1909 to 1870, we can expect a bearish trend reversal in this currency pair for now. So these are all the resistance and support levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we analyze the market in hourly time frame, I have drawn one more support line over here. Price has tested this support level, then it started its bullish trend, and currently the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. It took resistance at the previous resistance line from the daily time frame, and currently it went on a bearish trend reversal. It is again in a retracement or in a bearish trend reversal. So once the price action breaks this support line or the trend line, you can take trades on the bearish side, and if the price action bounces back from this trend line or support line, you can take trades on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend, but overall price action is in a range bound market and trading on a sideways. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also I have drawn a support line which is around 1940. Price has tested this support line several times and then started its bullish trend. So when the price action bounces back on the bearish trend also, it has to break this support line in order to continue its bearish trend reversal. This level will be acting as a very strong support for the bearish trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame. And currently the price action is in a bearish trend reversal. I am expecting it to take support on this hourly time frame trend line or the support line. If it breaks this trend line, next level of support is going to be the 30 minutes time frame support line, and it has to break it to fall further on the bearish side. If it doesn't break these levels, we can expect a bounce back on the bullish side, because we still have some more gap to fill on the bullish side. This will be the higher time frame resistance level, which is going to be around 1975. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. Here again I have drawn one more resistance line over here. This level has been acting as a very strong resistance for 5 minutes time frame, which is around 1954. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect a bullish trend reversal in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price has tested this resistance level several times. It couldn't break this resistance level, and it is on a retracement to retest on this hourly time frame support line or trend line. So it is on a range bound market for now, but the range is becoming narrower and narrower because we have the trend line from hourly time frame going on a bullish side. So it has to break this support line or trend line in order to have a bearish trend reversal. Otherwise we can expect a break on the bullish side in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1954 and support level of 1939. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.